I forgot where I left off. Let me start this up. But me looking at this right now, it seems like, at least where I am right now, it's pulling everything up. But the next thing that I want to do is recognize whenever it says end changeover to have a form. Like is it, like if it, let me go to this in the TypeScript file. Uh, Set it to false, else, wait, wait, what am I looking at? Changeovers. I need to change else. Do that. Should I do this before this or after this? Oh gosh. I'm gonna do it after. Let's try that and see what it says. Please work. And it works. Oh, that's programming stuff. It's pretty easy. Oh, wait. I'm just not reading. Wait. Is everything like, are you okay ever? Man, forget this programming stuff. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Truly, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Dang, that kind of made me sad. Like, I wish I, like, the weird thing about this is, like, I want to ask, like, things. Okay, okay. Like, I want to ask, but, like, I also don't want to, like, remind you that this situation is going on. So I want to be respectful, you know? Well, living to 100, it, I, if there was ever a definition of living a full life, it would be that. Like, she's seen a lot. Like, wait, when did World War I end? When did? Oh, let me research this. Never mind. Whoops. Never mind. Well, at least you saw the after effects of it before, the second one. But yeah. Wow. Wait, when did the Titanic happen? Never mind. Why is everything so old? Never mind. Never mind. Oh, sorry. Control Shift T. This is when the Titanic happened. Hopefully, Gemini isn't incorrect, but oh well. Oh. Rest in peace. Thoughts and prayers, and I guess continue to not only her. but honor your elders and everything. So yeah, yeah, yeah. If there's anything that I can do or anything, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Great. Alive. Yeah, I just saw one of them this past weekend. I no great grandfather, but I was about to say I never met any of my grandfathers. My great grandfather never met any of my grandfathers. Mm-mm. I wasn't alive. But yeah, I went to East Texas this weekend and saw one of my grandmothers. So yeah, yeah. And that's another thing. I'm sorry, for being so inconsistent with like streaming and stuff. But recently I just been living a whole bunch of like life, like IRL life. And I'm starting to realize that like I can't do both. I cannot like stream consistently, or else like it would be a lot. I can't stream consistently and still like live the amount of life that I would like to live. If that makes sense. Well, I kind of have to, cause like uh Sizzle, I don't know. I don't know, and I feel bad cuz like I don't want him to feel like that. But yeah, like I feel like I failed Sizzle. Yeah. Yeah. Is there anything that you see that I could have done better? Oh, fine. Fine. Oh well. Oh, this is cold now, I think. Oh yeah, that's the thing. I kind of regret subscribing to Anthropic for a year because like I don't see myself using AI like that right now. Like if I ever were to like go into a code base and do something or blah blah blah, like I need to learn to see bad code, like to know what bad code is and what good code is and how to change bad code to good code. And the only way that I can do that manually is by not using AI. Like if I ever get stuck, yes, AI is just now Google search. But other than that, like I kind of have no need for it because if I ever were to like build out a component, I don't think I would want a prototype necessarily to just be spat out because I would spend more work like tailoring it to what I want to do than like just building it out from scratch. Like the entire component. Maybe I would use AI for like the styling, but that's about it. That's about it. So yeah. I might I don't know where else I can go. Like the hold on. Hold up. This complete change everything is weird. What is going on? I'll try. But I don't know what's going on right now. What do you mean? Whenever I click this button, what happens? The is add note, no complete changeover. Let's go here. I think the best thing that I've ever done coding wise to like oh, um have a peaceful mourn properly, but have a peaceful day and I hope things get better. They will always get better, but yeah, you have me in Discord and everything, so and I'll be back streaming whenever, you know, So be safe, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, thank you. I'm looking at this. What is this? Mhm. Yes, no. What the heck? Active changeover. The what? What? I'm confused. It may follow that. This is that how you do it? Sorry. This is a started changeover. No, 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 no. This is really the only place. Wait a second. Wait. This looks weird. Check for it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, because I'm not even really using this. Wait, this is no. Something just isn't doing anything. I'm not gonna play music right now. But if I'm checking for an active changeover, let me look at this. Complete the changeover. Active changeover. If I'm checking for a changeover, wouldn't I make this into a variable? But this dot active changeover equals. How about that? Oh, sorry. I keep on doing that. That. Why is that bad? Argument of type is not assignable to the parameter. Oh, how's that set up? Uh, created by blah 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 blah. Let's actually just copy and paste those so I can see it. Why am I doing that? Where am I doing that? Oh, but let's keep it like that. No, like that. I actually might. Is there a string in there that does that? Changeovers. Which changeovers is it looking at? Is that? Oh, whoops. How about that? Hmm? Why is that bad? Oh, dot created by or is that how you do it? Okay. Okay. Just keep on doing the same thing. For company company equals doc snap dot data. Let's do it like that. But I don't want to just keep on created at totally equals dot uh actually this is what I may use AI for, and hopefully it doesn't mess it up. But mm, uh, and, how about that? Why are you sauteing my code base? That may be what I want. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, what? Yes. Oh, no. So I guess just delete all of that and then take. Oh, this is gonna be messy. This is gonna be messy. Huh? Over. I messed up. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. All right, let's try that. What isn't a function? So set it to that. Let's see what you say. Hmm. So what I want, I think that's at 411. No. Whoops. Should not get line. I need to complete a changeover. Where's the complete changeover at? There we are. What I need to do, 218, 218. And then return. Cool. That's all I, well, let's not update anything right now. How about, oh no. How about that? Let's just not update anything. Does this have a catch? Cool. So, okay. Oh no. Well, I guess I can just make a new one. Um, just for those purposes. But let me delete this file, this document, and just start making new ones because I need to see the entire process. Yeah, from start to finish. Sure. Um, I, how are you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I am finishing up a changeovers feature for a project that I'm using for my job. But it's basically a I said that I was going to do a command that explained what I was building. Um, but basically the project that I'm building is for plastics manufacturing and helping me like sort out. Yeah, I know. It's cool. How have you been though? Is everything all right? Mm, mm. Let's try this. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared. Where's to actually? Let me make it for this because changeover. Have that be the reason. I mean, it's been going. I've been doing stuff. Oh, thank you. This has been brought to you by Claude Code. All the styling, like to make it a little bit more like visually pleasing. Like I could have built it out like custom, which I kind of did. Like I made a markup of it, but like I told Claude how I want it to be, how I wanted it to look, and it did it. And I really like um Claude's styling over all the other models. So I think Claude is like basically my like UX. No, wait, what is that? What is the title? The CSS expert, basically. So you do plastics. Yeah, yeah. I do. I do. Recently I haven't been as much of a fan, but I like Claude. I like it. Mm-mm-mm. Well, here's the thing. If I hold up, something is wrong. I'm already seeing something that I do not like. Problems. How do I set a problem? With me setting a problem. Oh, how you liking that? I've been interested in how it works, but I heard that like it's actually a better model if you're choosing the right models, if that makes sense. Like the router needs a little bit of work to like figure out what the optimal model is to use every time. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Like I think the fastest one is like Flash or something, or quick or fast responses or something. But the problem is that they removed the only router model one. Oh, okay. There was that much backlash. I think I like the idea of them having a router to decipher which model to use, but I don't know. I've never been a big Chat GPT person. I'm weird like that. Even though like it has the most like user adoption or whatever of like the general public, I've never been a GPT person. But it has like GPT thinking mini. They still have the. Oh, okay. Huh. I may try it one day, like the free version of it, and see if I want to subscribe to it. But as of right now, I'm not really a chat box person. Or if I were to use an API, I would still probably use like in a production code base. I would probably use Gemini's API keys because it's already in Firebase and I use Firebase, so it works. But yeah, yeah, I already have the annual subscription for Claude, but using it in a production code base, I don't know because of how expensive it is. Yes, it's great and it may be the best one, but I don't know. I think it really just depends on how you're prompting it, how you're prompting any model, like learning how to optimally prompt any model to give you the best results. Each model is different. So, yeah. Yeah. Has active problems. Here's my thing. There's different modes. Yeah. Yeah, it's really taken off. Yeah. Maybe what I need to do, like whenever this is where I need to be, I think. And it has different options and stuff. And I think this is where I need to be. Huh? Huh? Line down reason. My bad. I'm in the wrong file again. It's okay. Don't apologize for anything. Honestly, I've been kind of ghost mode this past week, the past couple of weeks. And I really apologize for that too. I've just been like living real life all of a sudden, and I haven't had time to like get to a computer. So, yeah. But I don't leak code. It's not that I hate leak code. It's just that I don't have an itch to or a reason to because I won't be getting a software job, so I have no reason to really leak code. I've never been a leak coder. Even though it sounds kind of cool, but I don't know. Are you in the Discord? Man, I'll never get a software job. I'm convinced of that, just simply because of how the landscape is, and I'm okay with that. I wish I had like more time to have a bigger presence on like different social media platforms. I'm just not. That's just not my thing. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, I don't know about that because I'm the type of person that like I'm the reason why. Okay, because I love the software development community. Um, the reason why I'm not really applying is because I don't need $300,000 to do the software job. I don't need that much money. So, because I feel that way, I would probably drive the cost down for all software developers. And I know that y'all don't want that. So, I don't want to mess that up. Like, I don't need that. It doesn't take $1 million to hire me. So, oh, oh, one day I might get that. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. But if I choose changeover, here's my thing. If I choose changeover, huh? Wait a second. If oh reason is equal changeover, I'm kind of confused now. See, this is great. I'm not confused. I just don't want to scroll up. But oh, I could do both of those. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. But the reason why I feel so much better about coding, at least recently, is because I got rid of my Copilot subscription. And the reason why that's good is because these code completions don't interrupt me or take away my critical thinking anymore. Like I didn't notice that the code completions were doing that, but once they've been turned off, like I feel like I'm a better programmer now. So, let's do this. If the reason is no, 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 let's do this whole thing and then CLG reason. I think it's gonna be changeover. So, I mean, that's not really a problem though. That's not a problem. Maybe I could do it. I see what I need to do. Instead of doing that, um, what day is it? Sorry, 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 sorry. All right. Description. is the reason. So the reason is capital changeover. So I may do it inside of this try catch and at the top of this. If the reason, the title and the reason are the same thing. Yep. So if the reason is equal to changeover, don't really add a dot. Well, else uh do that. That. Now, if the reason is a changeover, don't add it, but I may do an await update. Uh, Update doc in here where I take. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. Where? Let's go to the documentation where I there. There. And then I do a this thing where oh so okay. I'm never actually pulling a document here. Hmm. I don't know if I should do that in my constructor or not. Uh, let's try. Do I even have a constructor? No, I don't. Is there an on a knit? No, there isn't. Um, Update doc. Okay, once we get here, I need to. How am I doing this in the other ones? I need to make a signal from the. Sorry if this is so boring. I'm starting to understand how to do this though. I have collection pulled, right? No. Huh. What? What? Okay. So from here, I guess I still make an observable, but um, is going to be that change over collection. Where is that at in here? Nowhere. So, and then const, I forget, make an observable. Um, where change over observable equals collection, and then change over collection. Have each one of these have that. Do I need to do that though? And the initial value is that, but don't I don't need to do that. I don't think. Because I'm using this in different places, that's why I'm making a signal. But as of right now, I don't think I need that. Uh, so I would, hmm, uh, is that how I would do it? Update doc. This dot firestore is wrong. Hmm. What if I do? Oh, it's not that. Changeovers. That's what it's called. Changeovers. Yes. Um. So yes, I have this. How about firestore? Huh. Maybe because change over. Let's just make it as close to what it says as possible. Whereas the DB, the collection, because I already had this problem. DB, the changeover collection, and then that. But the problem is it's overloading. And what if I do changeover observable? No. Hmm. Hmm. Let me think. Because I did this in here. I forgot where. I think it's this one. This is how I did it. This is the doc reference, but doc ref. But I guess I make it this. I don't want to. So this dot. Oh, that's how I do it. That's not how I would do that. Okay. Why not call it that? Just call it changeovers. And then changeovers dot set to signal. But lines up here is just in. I guess I changed to any. I don't know. Equals. Um, any two signal where I'm taking the changeover observable and then having an initial value. That? Wait, is that how that's that? Oh, make an object out of it. Setting it to that. And then have be that. Yeah. So that's a ref. Update doc. Is that possible? Wait, sorry. This is the document, but I need to change it from hmm. Change over collection. Who's this? No. How the heck? I'm doing it wrong. I was like, what? Oh. I was like, why am I overcomplicating this? Okay, so just mm-mm. Also, I don't think I'm doing, yeah, I'm doing on lines. Sorry. I'm doing a line. Uh, 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 that's my bad. Line. Have that be lines as well. Lines up here, right? Nope. Lines. And then line ref. Line ref. So in this document, I'm changing, when I do that, I'm changing the status to changeover. I could just say reason, but just hard coding it, saying changeover. Um, I kind of don't like the whole capitalize and not capitalize, but I'm keeping it as that for now. But I need the status changed by status changed by, and then what is that? It's, do I have the user ID? User. This is it. This is it. Bow. and then changed at starters changed at that's a timestamp dot now. I think that's all I'm changing in here. So that's basically what is about to be done. Else that, else that, else that. And then regardless, yep. Um, on submission. Whoa, what just happened? Okay. So it isn't necessarily a problem anymore. I'm gonna go scroll down to these problems. Delete that from that. Should. Awesome. Now, let me report a problem. Not really a problem. What's going on? Let me use within the injection context, such as constructor. What? Oh no. Oh no. What? One thing you can only use injection context. So expect the first argument to be a collection or a collection reference. Hmm. And that is line what? I wonder if that would be any better. No. Hmm. Let's see how that reacts. Different error can only be used in the constructor. So, because I don't necessarily know exactly how to phrase that. I just want to make it work. I just don't know the terminology, like the abstractions to make this work. Looking at that selected code with issue with 102. 102. Yeah, cool. You're trying to use this stuff line, so it's a signal containing an array to dog and find store collection. The issue 103, you need to use lines collection instead of this dot lines. So lines collection. So like I want to see it what it says because I think I already tried this. I'm commenting this out. No, it's at 103. Index of is not a function. Mm-mm. So I guess I'll comment this out as well. Oh, let's try it again. Or how about this? How about I shut it down, try it again, and then try that. Still that. So I don't know if I need. I'm not referencing this anywhere. That's what needs to happen. Hmm. Mm. Thank you, Claude. Hmm. So from here, oh, if it is a changeover, okay, crap. If it is a changeover, what did that say? To go from that to that. That should. Hmm, I think I may take a break here, but when I come back, I'm gonna fix the whole flow of this because yes, it's working, but I want to like solve the edge cases to where like whenever I hit stop line that um it doesn't necessarily automatically change it to an active even though I haven't made a reason yet. So like let's go here. Ideas and notes. So initiate a changeover, update the lines. Um, sorry, this is what I'm looking at. I'm trying to read in changeover. I think it already does that. I already fixed this. Once I end the changeover, I think I did that already. I think. So the new thing that I need to do is and the reason is changeover. Open the changeover form. Um, Also, if I press stop, uh, don't let's just start there. And then at that point, At that point, what the heck? I'm thinking. I don't like the fact that, like, if I do this and it does that, oh, wait, eh? Oh, well, I guess that's automatically fixed whenever that's fixed whenever I change to automatically do the changeover form. Mm-mm. Mm. Just do that. Okay. I think that's where I am right now. I think that's where I am. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead, chill out, just mark it as a successful day, and I'll be back. I'll be back. So, peace. Be safe.